Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech. And boy, have I got some interesting news for you. Whenever I ask people what they'll be doing when the COVID-19 pandemic is over, the majority of them reply back by saying travel. And I'm pretty sure the majority of you can't wait to do the same also. So I figured I'd make a video to make things a little bit easier for you when you are able to travel again. As most of you know, the type of wall outlets differ from country to country. So a type A adapter that's used in North America, Japan, and the Philippines will look completely different compared to a type G adapter that's used in the UK. There are 15 different outlet types altogether, and it can get a little overwhelming, but luckily there's a product on Amazon that can help to simplify things. The Septix Travel Adapter Kit provides almost all the different types of adapters in one travel kit. They make the claim of being the most compatible with adapters that can work in over 200 countries around the world. They sport 2 US plugs and 2 USB ports at the front. It also has a micro USB cable hidden on the side. It allows you to charge up to 5 devices at once from a single unit, which is pretty convenient. No need to plug in any power bars or outlet splitters. This will reduce the amount of cables you need to pack when you're traveling. At the back of the product, you can easily slide out the unwanted outlet type and slide in the one that you need. The Septix product is grounded, surge protected, and has a smart voltage indicator. So that means you can connect your electronic devices without worrying about voltage compatibility issues. The smart indicator at the front will advise you if you're connected to either a 110 volt or a 220 volt outlet. On Amazon, Septix is currently selling a couple different kits. One that includes 13 different adapters and another that includes 6 different adapters but comes in at a bit of a lower price point. I've posted the link for both devices in my description below, so if you intend on traveling to celebrate your post-COVID freedom, definitely purchase one of those adapters from Septix. The 13 adapter model is $38.57 USD, while the 6 adapter model is only $29.99 USD. Both are great deals, especially when you consider the fact that a standard smartphone wall charger by itself can still run you around $20. I want to hear from you guys in the comments. What's the first destination on your travel list when the COVID-19 lockdowns are lifted? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.